Now we're gonna prove it that all local minima are global minima. For doing it, we'll do as in cryptography. They use a lot of time contradiction. You suppose that it is not true. By supposing it is not true, there is a contradiction, and so it will mean that it is true. So let's suppose that all log all local minima are not global minima. So suppose like we have some x0 such that it is a local minima but not a global minima. By the way, I think I'll do myself a philosophical video about, like, for example, now I'm thinking of the fact that stealing to people can be really great, because I was seeing yesterday a video from a teenager who was doing some Tetris world records, and he was using the techniques from the best of the world for achieving it. So yeah, you can use the work of others to do great things. So let's also be extra be some points such that this point is like global minima. So you know, because local minima is just in the common neighborhood, so a point that is not in a common neighborhood and that it is so inferior to this local minima. And so now let trying to construct a line segment corresponding to convex stuff, because like we have f being convex. So now let try to have lambda between 0 and 1. And the line segment b. by convexity of f. We'll have f of lambda excital exter plus 1 minus lambda x0 inferior to, oh, that's so great doing this. Morning, you wake up, you do mathematics for your brain. There is a book about mathematics that is really good, which is called The Book That Makes You Crazy. And after there's a second one, which is Now I'm Crazy, thanks to the first book. So I gave them to people. Yeah, maybe I must take on them and try to read them again because I did not finish. But anyway, so I have this, and so we know here that f of x star is inferior to f of x0, so it means it's inferior to lambda f x0 plus 1 minus lambda f x0, and so it means it is equal to f of x0 yeah, just for any lambda being to 0, 1, we have this, which is inferior to this. And so there is a contradiction, because if you take lambda that goes near to 0. Attends, papa, là. If you take lambda near to 0, you just you just have here it will be equal, you'll have fx0 is equal to fx0, and so that's not there is a problem, and so you can get close to x0 with a stricter, smaller objective value. And so There is a contradiction. And f of x0 must also be a global minima. Okay,